So the MATLAB and Simulink training. Okay, so MATLAB on ramp. I would like to recommend you to do the one course that is MATLAB on ramp. So how you can access? So these things are available on Mathox website. So MATLAB on RAM, Simulink on RAM. Okay, then the advanced topics like say machine learning, deep learning. Then nowadays the image processing, signal processing, state flow, and control design also present. So out of that, I will just recommend you to complete the MATLAB on RAM so that you can start quickly with your programming. So you might be you can be familiar with the MATLAB programming. Okay, so what is the advantage of this? Well, when you go with this example particularly, so you no need to be on browser. Also, you can, let's say we have this browser. Okay, so I will just go here. Before that, you have to create the Mathworks. Let's say Mathworks account. So you have to create one Mathworks account. Okay, so this is the Mathworks website. We can refer this website. Various products and let's say examples are present. Various resources are present here. So from here, you have to create your Mathworks account. Okay, so I already have this account. Okay, so from I already log in. So MATLAB on ramp online. Let's say online MATLAB you can use it. Okay, just go and simply launch the course. Okay, it will take time to open. So it is based on the browser. You don't need to have the MATLAB in your desktop. You can use it on your browser. Okay, when you complete it, so you will get certificate at the end. Okay, you have to complete it 100%. Okay, so in that you can see the course overview, commands, entering command, MATLAB desktop and editor, vectors and matrices, and many more contents. Let's index into the modifying arrays and etc. Okay, then plotting data, reviewing problems. How can we include MATLAB in or let's say as curriculum? How we can use this MATLAB? Okay, so we can go and refer to this MATLAB on ramp. It will, let's say it will take time. There might be some network issue at my end. Okay, so if you have any query, you can put in chat box. Okay, uh, if you have any kind of query, you can put in chat box. Let it open. Okay, so this is opened. Okay, so when you particularly select, you will see this course overview and the rest things. Okay, so whatever agenda we discussed, that we covered. Okay, if you have any question, you can, or any query, you can ask in chat box, or you can unmute yourself and ask.